In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can create rain and clouds with young children.
Well, my name is Brianna, and I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we share books, activity ideas for people like you, parents and educators of young children. Let's get right into today's cloudy activity.
So, how do you make rain clouds? For this activity, all we did was put cotton balls inside of a clear bottle and added water and just cut some slits into the bottle so when you squeeze it, the water comes out.
And if you've been liking this content so far, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button.
For the next activity, all you're going to need is a jar, water, shaving cream, paint, or food coloring. For this activity, you're going to encourage your child or someone in your class to pour water into the jar, add your shaving cream, and then add your food coloring or paint. And then ask questions while you're doing it. Watch what's happening to the shaving cream on the top and the water that's on the bottom. For this activity, it was really inspired by our current lesson on how God created the sky and how He created water. We also paired it with our current book of the week, which is Whoosh. It's the weather book. And you can look at both of those books by checking out the links in the description box.
Question of the day. How do you plan to do these cloudy science, fun sensory activities in your home or school classroom? Let me know in the chat below. See you again next time, guys. Bye.
Wow.
Queen.
What's happening?